When temperature is critical, businesses worldwide rely on Chromalox heat trace solutions to keep them in control. For over 50 years, we've designed heat trace components and systems that maintain constant temperatures for industrial and commercial processes, helping our customers boost efficiency, reduce maintenance, and improve safety. Every heat trace system is unique, which is why we offer the most comprehensive range of cables, controls, and connection boxes. We design self-regulating constant wattage and mineral-insulated heating cables, all built to withstand the most demanding and complex applications. Whether you need to manage one circuit or 10,000, our best-in-class control systems, including power distribution, off-duty auto cycle maintenance program, and full monitoring capabilities, make it simple. System design is made simple with our user-friendly software, and our powerful supervisory software lets you monitor and adjust temperatures from anywhere so you always stay in control. With fast installation, low maintenance, and zero direct emissions, electric heat trace is now the standard for many businesses. Chromalox heat trace systems work day and night across many industries to optimize temperature management and help businesses achieve their net zero goals. But perhaps the most important benefit is how easy we make it to maintain a consistent temperature. When a refinery in California noticed uneven heating in its piping systems, resulting in a worrying smell of ammonia, it asked Chromalox to help. We gave the refinery a new design that replaced its existing heat trace cable with our energy-efficient SRME-10 self-regulating cable to ensure even, reliable heating. 4 digital thermostats mounted along the system now allow engineers to view temperatures and tighten the temperature tolerance, eliminating the ammonia smell. Whether they're improving efficiency, saving energy, or protecting vital systems against harsh conditions, Chromalox heat trace solutions are hard at work in industrial and commercial processes worldwide, ensuring everything operates as it should, all day, every day.